Stop wasting hours struggling to describe complex technical workflows with just words and static screenshots. Most of the SOP today, or standard operating procedures, I've seen are still in text and diagram format. That's so old-fashioned, and nobody likes to read long-form documents anymore. Let me show you how to use the free Windows tool to record your workflow and build an instant high-performance SOP. Okay, right now, you're in my computer, right? Let's say if you want to record something, okay, the easiest way is to go to get this, right? The Windows snipping tools. Yeah, Windows snipping tools is actually free. It comes with your Windows. That's the easiest way to start off. Yeah. Now, most people use this for screenshots. Okay. And when you go in, you can see this icon, right? So here, this is for recording. Yeah, to record your screen and then as well as your voice. Okay. Now here, of course, you can choose whether which screenshot. Yeah. But right now, I'm going to focus more on the so-called video recording. Now you come over here and then open the settings. Okay. Open up the screen longer and then you will see all these settings. Most of it are for screenshots, but you can see that, right? Now, one is I like to change the screen recording. Yeah, to be in which folder so that easy for me to find it. And then right here, you see, you will have this screen recording. You want to let it ask you to edit the screen recording after it. Just turn it on, okay? And then your microphone and then your system audio. If you don't want to record your system audio, just turn it off, okay? So let me just turn it on, all this, and then I will show you. Yeah. So once this setup is done, it's okay, then you will, right, start recording. Click here. Now you can choose to record the whole screen, or let me just highlight here. This is the area I want to record only. Okay. And then you can just double check, make sure your mic is correctly, because I have a few mics. Okay. So I'm just going to pick, okay, from my webcam. Or okay, so let me pick it from here. Okay, and then this is to mute your system audio because just now we turn it on. Okay, let's start recording. So you have countdown right now, and then currently you are recording using the so-called the snippet, right? The snippet tools. Okay, and so you just go and do as per your training, do your new stuff. Let's say step one, we're going to do, okay, you can put in step one. I'm going to put the title of this. Now, this is particularly good, especially for you to train the workflow or processes that is done on a computer, like computer work, right? Things like reportings, how do you do a report, how do you update a spreadsheet or create a spreadsheets, okay, or updating information into your enterprise or company software like ERP, MES, or WMS. Yeah, so this will be very particularly good. Okay, so you just speak, yeah, as if you are training to your new staff. Yeah, then you just do it, right? Step two. Okay, what do you do? I'm just a quick demo and show you. Then later I will show you the recording. So let's say I'm going to put in here. Okay, I'm going to put in this video right over here. Click right over here. And then I'm going to resize this. Okay. Then I'm going to play this, right? So it will take a little bit while to refresh it, and then you can play it. Have you seen this news? Shopee is cutting hundreds of jobs, joining a wave of tech companies leaning into AI. So you should capture the recording, right? Because you turn on this the system audio. Okay. So now, assuming this is the workflow, you're done, then you just stop it. Okay. Stop it. Remember, it asks you to edit your video. And then right now, you can just play back. And then you can edit in the Clipchamp, or you can use other video editing. If you're interested to know how to video edit, just put in a comment below. I'll do a separate videos, okay, to teach you how to edit your videos. Okay, then you can just basically save it, yeah, into your folder, and then That's it, finish, right? So that is how you get this, right? Your so-called SOP. And let me just open up my folder and take it out. Okay, the recording. So this is the recording. Yeah. Now, very simple. How do you put in the SOP? You just attach this video file into the PowerPoint. Okay, very simple. Just put it into your PowerPoint and then use the PowerPoint as your training SOP. This is the easiest way to start. Of course, if you want nicer, more sophisticated, we can do that as well. But just use this as a starting point, and then you have your video SOP. All right. So now if you have further question on that, or you want to learn more about how to make a SOP using video besides just for processors on the computer, you get processors working on the machine and so on, do leave a comment right below. Yeah. And I will share to you how do you do that. Now, if you like this type of video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. And this is Andrew. I'll see you real soon in my next video.